Welcome to the unboxing video of my Warhammer 40k Combat Patrol army, Drukhari army. See that? So, I got us today, and we're gonna try and open it up. Let's see. Plastic. As you can see, comes with 18 miniatures. It's my first time buying a Warhammer 40k army. I settled on the Drukhari. The models look really cool. I like I think one of them is either Raider and the other one's Ravager. I don't know yet. I should say in the back. That's the Ravager, that's the Raider. You can see that. So, 18 miniatures. Yep. It's made in UK. Let's open her up. But the box away. Sorry for the noise there. You can hear there's somebody working in the backyard. So leaflet, manual comes with. It's gonna be. I've done some Space Marines before. My friend gave me a squad unit, and for the first time I've done a whole unit. It took a while to get it sorted, but I'm just starting, so this should be my first serious one where I really have to take my time, get the mold lines, get this properly done. Sometimes I get too impatient, I just want to paint. But yeah, I'm gonna take my time with this one. This seems reminds me like an IKEA. God knows how I deal with IKEA stuff as well, but I'm looking forward to building these transports. They look cool. So yeah, that's it's got how many pages? Let's see. Quite a few pages. Let's put that aside. So you have your a little small. This must be the, not too sure. I think it's 28. For the incubi, I take it. Yeah. Oh, look at all this. Oh, so this is the. This should be for the Archon. Archon, yeah. Let's press this one. And this must be for the incubi. Incubi. Quite a few. This aside though. Yeah. Look at that. So I don't know much about the lore. I need to read up on them. It's really more of a. I'd like to play it at some point, maybe get into it, but I just enjoy painting just now during lockdown. I started really with some Space Marines, and I'm doing this just now. I don't know if you can see it. It's just drying. Use some oil paint on that one, but anyway. Yeah, this one looks amazing to paint. I think this will be cool. So this will be probably one of either the Raider or the Ravager. That's a lot of pieces. I jump right in, yeah? Why not? Oh man. It's just color wise, the scheme, paint scheme, color scheme, I don't know, I'm not too sure yet. I was thinking more Mad Max, maybe, kinda Silent Hill, dusty looking horror, maybe some Japanese horror into it, kinda feeling. Not really particularly fond of the green, like dark green kind of look. I do like it. I mean, I've tried. This is my try for the green kind of armor. It's okay. This was me trying, but I should have done maybe black and then kind of highlighted it more into the green aspect of it, kind of the way the box art would be. But we'll see how it goes with it. We'll see how it goes with the Mad Max kind of, that kind of post-apocalyptic kind of look. Ooh. Some pieces. I think this is for the transport and your transfers. Transfer sheet for the Dark Elder. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to building this. Oh, did that break? I hope not. It doesn't seem like this was from. Might just be an extra, but hopefully. Anyway, clear bases. Ah, that's the one from it. It's broken out. And it broke off, maybe due to transport. So let's put them back together. I can't wait. So that was the unboxing of the Drukhari Combat Patrol. Thank you for watching.